Hello cat people! How are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are doing a tutorial for this makeup right here. It's always been challenging to me to be able to do a fast makeup, so today I want to challenge myself to see if I'm able to make this makeup look in less than 2 hours. Let's start! As I promised you, this is gonna be a super fast makeup, so I've already finished with my eyebrows and my base, and right now I'm gonna use this palette, and this one is Coco Cutie, such a nice name, right? And from this one I'm gonna use the Hank 10 right here, the blue, and I will define where I want to work with a very tiny line. So what I'm gonna do is just try to shape a little bit. And basically this is gonna be the main makeup. Okay, so here we have the eyes finished. I'm gonna use my latest obsession, which is from Aden's Eye, Giant Wolf's palette. And I'm gonna use the shade Astral here to highlight a little bit inside my eye, but actually before I do this, I'm gonna diffuse a little bit of blue at the bottom part of my eye. Again, the same blue from Hello Kitty palette. I promised to keep this video short, but who am I to resist to glitter, you know? So here we have from Glitter Palace. Actually, this shade, I'm applying glitter glue to my hand, is great as it is because if you see, it contains micro glitter, so it can be without glitter, but you know me, I love glitter, I cannot really resist, so I'm starting from the center in order, like, if we have problems, at least we will have a little bit of shift and shimmer. Great, so I finished both eyes with the glitter, I finished my base, and actually this time I used this amazing stick from Nikki Tutorials, new brand, Mimia, and I think we have results here, like I feel my eyes a lot cooler and I think I have less obvious black circles. And what I'm doing right now is that I'm mixing two shades of Glossier liquid blush, one pink and the other more peachy. Again, I haven't applied any powder on my face, it's only foundation and some correctors and stuff like that. Okay, here I have applied false lashes, which the glitter made it really difficult for me. But what can you do? Like, I might have to reapply them later. But for now, we are focusing on the highlighter, and I'm gonna use a combination of Glossier Play, I'm not sure, Pale Pearl is the shade, and then on the top of it I'm gonna apply Rihanna's, the Diamond Bomb, which I really love this combination these days, and it's great if you wanna have a very, I don't know, extra result. I'm doing circular motions because that helps a lot to break, you know, every kind of shapes, because we don't want a straight line, we just want it to be blended in. Great! After we finish with that, we are going to use this palette, Wet n Wild, and from this palette I'm gonna use this shade, the brown one, to do my contouring. I don't know if you wanna see this actually, but you will see this. Anyway, this is the brush that I'm gonna use. That's from a set from Morphe. I feel that it's so difficult for me to find a highlighter with cold undertone, since everything that I have is warm undertone, so I need to mix them and do some weird things, or maybe I use eyeshadows, which I don't really enjoy when it comes to contouring and bronzer and stuff like that. I would prefer more cool tone, but it's so very difficult for me to find. I have applied powder. This is up to you basically, because I have a very oily skin and I don't really enjoy being shiny. So you could have left the makeup at the previous step with only the liquid products, but for me this is not working. Anyway, so on the top of that I'm gonna apply my favorite highlighter, which is from Fenty Beauty and Rihanna, the Diamond Bomb. I'm gonna put it here. Not a lot because it's extremely shiny and I don't want to overdo it with it. I just wanna give that glam, you know. Nice, and after that, I'm gonna fix my lips. As you can see, I have done a lot of tries before I decide, but finally I have decided to use this intense color from MUA TLC, and on the top of that I'm gonna apply this one, which is from Sunkissed, the Velvet Kiss, in the shade Velvet Blush. Okay, stop talking and start doing. The last step, of course, is the setting spray, and I'm gonna use from W7 the matte fixer. I think I have used this before, but to be honest I don't remember how good it is, so let's give it another try. And now let's lock the result with Nikki Tutorials fun! And now it's time for the word of the day. So I noticed that today I said many times the word quick. So in Greek we say grigoros. 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 Say it with me. Grigoros. As always, I would like to ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word grigoros. And the best comments will be at one of my next videos, so let's see your creativity! Before I actually say bye-bye, a few things about the lipstick that I used and the setting spray. The lipstick, this one, is a very nice matte formula, like you don't feel it like cracky or uncomfortable on your lips. So I really approved this one. On the other hand, the matte fixer here, of course I don't know if it's working yet because I'm oily, so I need to have some hours to see if I'm gonna be as oily as usual. But I want to say that it has a very aggressive spray, unlike the other one that I'm using from Urban Decay, the All Nighter. So yeah, I'm a little bit about that, but of course if it's working, this is not a problem at all. So that was it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the makeup, that you found it easy and quick, and I'm looking forward for your recreations, people. So don't forget, if you recreate this look, to find me on Instagram, which is gonna be Catlady Antigoni down here as always, and send me a message with your recreation. I would be very happy to see what you have done. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and leave a comment like future ideas for future videos. That's gonna be amazing, you know. Again, thank you so much for being here with me today. Until next time, bye bye!